Have you ever wondered why planes dim the cabin lights during takeoff and landing? And is it really necessary for our safety? It's a routine that's so familiar, yet somehow it's easy to overlook until you're sitting on a plane, waiting for it to take off or touch down, and the lights around you start to fade. You might find yourself thinking, what's the point of this? Is it just a precaution, or is there something more to it? The truth is, dimming the cabin lights is a crucial part of the safety procedures that pilots follow during these critical phases of flight. And here's the interesting part. It's not just about the pilots, it's also about you, the passengers, and how your eyes can adapt to an emergency situation. So, let's take a closer look at why planes dim the cabin lights and what it means for your safety on board. Have you ever stepped out of a dark movie theater into bright sunlight? That sudden glare can be blinding. When planes dim the cabin lights for takeoff and landing, it's a similar idea. Dimming the lights helps our eyes adjust to the outside conditions. Imagine you're at cruising altitude and you've enjoyed a nice meal while the cabin lights were bright. Just before landing, they go dark. This isn't just for ambience, it's a smart safety measure. When the cabin lights are dimmed, your eyes start adapting to the natural light outside, which is crucial for what comes next. Here's the surprising part. If an emergency situation arises during landing, every second counts. Think about it. If you need to evacuate, you want to be as ready as possible. When your eyes are already adjusted to the outside light, you can see better and move quickly. You're more aware of your surroundings, like where the exits are and where to go. This simple adjustment can make a real difference in those critical moments. The truth is, air travel is incredibly safe, but being prepared for anything is part of the reason why it stays that way. So, dimming the lights isn't just a quirky procedure. It's a thoughtful choice to help everyone on board stay safe and ready. And of course, there are more reasons for this practice, so let's keep exploring. Vocabulary, visibility, adjust, emergency, evacuate. What's the second reason airlines dim the cabin lights during takeoff and landing? It's not just about visibility, but also about signaling to passengers that it's time to get ready for the most critical phases of flight. Think of it like a teacher dimming the lights to start a presentation. It grabs everyone's attention and sets the tone for what's about to happen. Similarly, when the cabin lights dim, it's a subtle cue for passengers to stop what they're doing, make sure their seatbelts are fastened, and get prepared for takeoff or landing. And here's the surprising part. It's also a cue for the flight attendants to take their seats and prepare the cabin, making sure everything is secure and safe for the upcoming maneuver. This simple act of dimming the lights helps ensure that everyone on board is focused and ready, which is incredibly important for safety. By dimming the lights, the airline is essentially saying, okay, it's time to pay attention and get ready. And that's reassuring because it shows that the crew is taking every precaution to ensure a safe and smooth flight. Vocabulary, attention, preparation, maneuver, reassuring, safety. Many people are surprised to learn that dimming the cabin lights during takeoff and landing is actually mandated by safety regulations. Yes, it's true. Aviation authorities have set specific rules to ensure our safety in flight. Imagine you're in a dark theater and the movie ends. The lights come up slowly so you can safely find your way out. It's similar in an airplane. If something were to go wrong during takeoff or landing and the main cabin lights went out, we need to be able to see the emergency exit signs. These signs are strategically placed and glow in the dark. They guide us towards safety. During those crucial moments, when the aircraft is either climbing or descending, passengers need to be fully aware of these exits. It's all about making sure that even if there's a sudden loss of power or any other issue, we can quickly find our way to safety without panicking. These regulations are a testament to the rigorous safety protocols that the aviation industry follows. The goal is to ensure that flying, which is already one of the safest modes of transportation, remains as secure as possible. So, while dimming the lights might feel a bit inconvenient, it's actually part of a larger safety system designed to keep everyone on board as protected as possible. In short, the cabin lights are dimmed for takeoff and landing not just for comfort, but also to help us see our way to safety in an emergency. So the next time you settle in for takeoff, remember, it's all part of a well-thought-out safety strategy. So, To answer our initial question, dimming the cabin lights during takeoff and landing serves several important purposes. First, it's a crucial safety precaution. Just like how you turn down the lights at home when a storm rolls in, this simple action helps your eyes adjust to the outside environment. If an emergency arises, your eyes are more prepared to see in the dark, maximizing your ability to respond. Second, it's a clever way to prepare us for the journey ahead. Think of it like when a movie theater dims the lights before the show. It signals that something exciting is about to happen. In this case, the magic of flight. It sets the mood and helps passengers focus on the experience rather than distractions. And here's the surprising part. This practice also showcases the meticulous attention to detail that goes into ensuring our safety in the air. It's not just about the lights. It's a reminder of all the behind-the-scenes work that flight crews and airlines put in to create a safe and comfortable environment for everyone on board. In a grand scheme of flying, dimming the lights might seem like a small detail, but it's one of the many fascinating aspects of air travel that underscores how seriously safety is taken. Each component, no matter how minor it might seem, contributes to the overall experience of flying, ensuring that we can enjoy the journey with peace of mind. So, the next time you're on a flight and the cabin lights dim, remember, it's all part of a thoughtful process designed with your safety in mind. Now that we've shed some light on why planes dim the cabin lights during takeoff and landing, let's recap what we've learned. Dimming the lights helps your eyes adjust to the outside environment, making it easier to see in case of an emergency. It's all about safety and preparing you for any situation. We also discovered that this practice is standard across airlines, ensuring a uniform response in critical moments. Plus, it creates a calm atmosphere, reducing anxiety as the plane prepares for those crucial phases of flight. If you're eager to dive deeper into the intricacies of flying and unlock more of these fascinating details, be sure to subscribe to Plain and Simple. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you insightful and reassuring content about the wonders of aviation. With each video, you'll learn more about how flying really works so you can feel confident and at ease the next time you board a plane. If you'll never look at a plane the same way, you know what to do.